Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix eyedropper mistakes in Meccha Chameleon. So if your copied colors doesn't seem to match correctly, just follow along. First, make sure you're sampling the exact object or surface you plan to hide against. Many players accidentally copy colors from nearby objects that have different lighting. Next, zoom in and carefully select the correct area. After that, apply the color and compare your character with the environment. And if the color looks wrong, repeat the process and sample a different section of the object. You should also check the result under different lighting conditions. A color that looks correct from one angle may appear different from another. So taking a few extra seconds to sample accurately can dramatically improve your camouflage. So that was how to fix eyedropper mistakes in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.